Hello, wonderful people. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depends on the time you are watching this live video. I welcome you to Crypto Palace. Yeah, Crypto Palace, where we talk about different kinds of low carb gems, new coins that are just coming to the market, sometimes also about airdrop. So thank you, my viewers, my audience, and my fans. Also, those that have subscribed to our membership on this YouTube channel, good day to everyone. So as you can see in the banner, on the topic is why you should take position in WKC, GTAN, OCICAT, and other African projects. If you are watching me live, I would like to know from which country are you watching me from. Just drop it under the comment section of this video. Let's check which country are you watching us from. It's good to have you here this Saturday morning. So I'm going to talk a lot about the topic today. I'm checking, let me just check from my second phone here. So lately I've gotten some questions from some people that why have I stopped talking about different airdrop? So I just feel that airdrop has become like a waste of time. So I've tried to like deviate from dishing out content about airdrop. You all know what those abstract combat, TapSwap, Tomato, what all those guys did for us last year. It is not a good thing to like write home about. So I just think that it doesn't worth keep on going on a lane that is not bringing money to my viewers. So let's just try and focus on low cap gems. How you can make money from all these low cap gems. You just buy it at 10,000 market cap, 100k market cap, and you are making cool money from it. So as I just say, let's focus on our African projects. So if you have observed this channel, I have been talking about WKC, GTAN, OCICAT, and some other solid African projects. So that's why I stopped sharing information about airdrop basically. So what are some ongoing projects we have in Africa right now? You can see the likes of WKC, the likes of OCICAT, and the likes of GTAN. So these are the solid African projects that we have right now that are going on in Africa. So having said that, so the big question is that why should you take position in them? Why should you position in all these African projects? So like WKC now, that one is being created by our guy here, Samapi. He is from Nigeria, and this founder is doing great. He has a great vision for this WKC WikiCat. Talking about Penny Wallet, Penny Remit, talking about SMC Bank, talking about Stable Naira, just name it. They are just too much. All these kind of use cases that surround WKC, which make it number one leading project in Africa. That's number one. They're talking about GTAN also, GTAN OCICAT. GTAN is created by our man. What's his name? Prophet Emmanuel Okeke. That's the GTAN founder. This man also is a prophet and a man of integrity who has been pushing the projects. At least now we are now above. Let me check here. We are above 2 million market cap dollars now. Let me check from my phone here. GTAN is now above 2 million market cap as at this morning that I check. You can see the momentum, you can see the building, you can see how people are bullish about all these projects. Just let me check from my phone here. I want to check the market cap presently. Network, not now. All right. Okay, so GTAN is now network. Just a minute. I want to confirm the market cap of GTAN as at today. So you can be on record that as at today I'm having GTAN. We are seeing GTAN at what market cap? GTAN is at 1.96 million market cap. That is GTAN as of today. GTAN is on 1.96 million market cap, while WKC is now around I think is now around 40 million market cap as of today. And talking about OCICAT is around 4 million market cap as of today. So looking at all these low market cap coins, they are still very much low for you to actually acquire. Now, why should you buy into all these African gem coins, African solid coins? The number one reason is that just like you are buying from all the Asian projects, all those European projects, like the way Africa is pushing liquidity to all those projects. Now imagine that the table now turns, that all other countries also, they are now bringing their cash, they are now bringing liquidity to African projects. That is to say, you cannot compete with all other projects on the global scale. Meanwhile, you as an African person, you're already buying all this coin now at 1 million market cap coin or 500,000 market cap coin. There are just many that can just take position now and start accumulating them at this low price. So by the time that they start gaining global attention, they start gaining momentum at the global level, you will be making cool money from them. Hope you are getting that, because liquidity will still flow to all of these projects all over the world. It is just a matter of time. Africa is no more a consuming nation. Africa also is now a producing nation when it comes to cryptocurrency. Before, we are just used to buying crypto from other world on other exchanges. We have no wallet that you can call our own from Africa. But now, we are now talking about different kinds of wallets, different kinds of products that are being created from our African guys. Talking about penny wallets, talking about GTAN wallets, different kinds of usable wallet that you can make use of, which is to tell you that Africa is no longer playing a consuming game when it comes to crypto space. We are also now trying to come to the table, we are coming to the place of power with some kind of products. We want to also become a producing nation, a producing continent. And once you can negotiate our relevance in this regard, that means we have high chance to command attention of the whole world also to start looking into our projects. So why is this one an advantage for you? Is that if you are taking position in all of these low market cap coins right now, by the time all these coins are gaining global attention, WKC above 40 million market cap. As at last year, this coin was above 200 million market cap at the all-time high. The GTAN is now around 2 million market cap coins. With all the utility that is surrounding all these coins, by the time we start gaining momentum, we start gaining global attention, and we start seeing ourselves on tier 1 exchanges, talking about Binance, talking about Bybit, BitGet, Coinbase. These coins, they have high potential to actually hit billions of dollars market cap in the future. So the bottom line is that those that have positioned right now, they will be the one to actually reap huge reward when it comes to that time, whereby we're now seeing millions of people trading coins that are emerging from African continents. We are seeing the likes of African or global world influencers, CZ talking about African projects, Elon Musk talking about African projects. You know what that means, guys? We are talking about billions of dollars market cap. Billions of dollars market cap. And if such could happen, you that you have bought this coin at 1 million market cap now, you will be sitting at over 100x, 1000x when we start talking about billions of dollars market cap. So why you should invest in African projects and take a second look at all of these projects is that more liquidity are still coming to African continent. Whether you like it or not, we are still going to have a whole lot of liquidity that will be coming, that will be flowing into our project. As we are doing the shilling, we are doing the marketing every day. The community is strong, the community is active, as in hyperactive. And the success of a project is much more about the strength of the community, number one. Also the activeness of the founder, talking about the integrity, talking about the ruggedness, the experience, the influence. We are now having that in African continent. We are having all this thing now in African. Imagine someone like Samapi pulling a project that was able to surpass 200 million market cap. How much is that in billions, in naira? That's billions of naira. How many companies are actually that's actually worth billions of naira in Africa? But someone creates a coin, and this guy is talking about having SMC Bank. We have now done stable naira, which is pegged to naira also. So these are what you should be looking out for. What are the utilities that surround the project? How bullish are people how bullish are when it comes to this project? Now we have people from other world talking about WKC. We have people that are seeing different prophecy that this is going to be a wealth transfer coins. But some of us are still, as in, keeping aloof. We have not started paying attention to all these low cap gems and start buying into them because it is from Africa. That's the sentiment. However, the game is changing right now, and I'm doing this live video just like open somebody's eyes out there that this is not the time for you to just sit on your hand and say all these African projects, you are not concerned about them. They are not yet gained enough attention. They have not yet gained enough influence to command your attention. By the time we are getting to like billions of dollars market cap, you might be coming late to the party by that time. So just like urging you guys, my viewers, my audience, it is time for you to start paying attention to African projects, to low market cap coins. That's what I have for you in this live stream today. So thanks for watching, guys. And as you know, here we talk about crypto. We talk about low cap gems. Those coins below, say 500,000 market cap, 100k market cap, 50k market cap, we focus about them on this channel so that by the time you buy into them at the early stage, you can reap a lot of reward when they start going viral. So on this channel, I also have my own inner circle whereby I try to share those gem coins to my inner circle, and you can access my inner circle with just small amount of money. It's not much at all. If you are interested, just chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. Wherever you are in the world, you can join us in my inner circle. So guys, thanks for watching. I remain your friend. I remain your host, Shina Oladele, and this channel is called Crypto Palace, talking about low market cap coins. We got your back on this channel. Alright guys, so have a nice weekend and let us meet in my next video.